Hi everyone, Brittany Powers here, and this is my data protocol that I created. So I put some meeting norms at the top. These could be adapted depending on the team who is using this protocol, but I just put some of my favorite norms that I think would be really beneficial for data analysis meetings. So I put arrive on time. Every team member should share a perspective. Listen carefully to each person and show respect for every opinion. Be open-minded and approach data as a learner, not as a knower. Here is the data protocol graphic that I created. I added 4 steps that cycle around and repeat themselves over and over again. The first is determine and consider. So for this step, teams would decide what is our current position and what factors got us here. So you're thinking about your students and you're looking at where everyone is right now and how did you get to this place. The next step is setting goals. So you would determine the resources you have available to you, whether that be curriculum, subscriptions, time, support within your classrooms, as well as challenges. So those things that kind of slow you down and make progress difficult. And from there, set attainable goals. The third step is making a plan. So for this step, you would just consider, how are we going to do this? How can we make this happen? What new practices can we try? And which ineffective practices can we get rid of? So those things that are not engaging our students, we're not seeing a lot of benefit in, let's just eliminate those and bring in some new and better research-based ideas. The last step is evaluating all of that. So how did it go? What was challenging and what worked well? And then you can look at that data again and you're back to step 1. All right, my next part. So this is actually 2 pages combined into one. So on the left is 1 page and on the right is the next, but it just kind of combines page 2 and 3 with the view that I'm using, so sorry if that's confusing. First page is for the classroom teacher to use individually, and the essential question here is, am I supporting my students so that all learners are able to make meaningful progress? For this one, my focus was differentiation. It's just kind of how my mind is geared towards thinking with elementary students. First, you would consider how many students are in your class, and then you would break them apart into who is scoring well below benchmark, just below, right at benchmark, or well above. From here, you would create 2 groups, so those who are below and those who are at or above, and you would then pick out those students who's standing out as being significantly lower or higher than their peers. And from there, you would determine what factors are likely contributing, and especially for lower kids, you might be able to get to the root of what's causing their problems. So that can be a good reflection step. And then last, what instructional strategies can be implemented to meet these needs? Next, over here, I have pretty much the same process, the same steps. The only difference is, instead of the classroom teacher, this one would be for a full grade level. And the essential question is the same, but you'd be looking at all the students in one grade level. So this side could help you see patterns within a classroom under one teacher's instruction, and this over here would help you see patterns within a whole grade level. Thanks for watching and looking at my protocol. This was challenging and I know it's not perfect, but I did enjoy creating this, and I am looking forward to seeing how you guys put yours together. And I know for me at least, I'm excited because I know this is something I could use right now. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone else's ideas. Again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.